So we got this tablet, iPad 9 generation. Okay, so the port doesn't work. Okay, we plug it in and it doesn't do anything, doesn't charge the tablet. Now we found out that the port is broken. Customer said it needed just a cleaning, but no, it's more than just a cleaning. So we can now open this tablet, take LCD motherboard, replace the port, and then throw a new port, solder the port, make sure all the pins are okay, solder to the board. We'll test it out and we'll see if we can get a second life to this tablet. Okay, here we have the iPad. Now, when we open the iPad, remember, it looks like the tempered glass is cracked, but the glass inside is not cracked. Okay, so you gotta be able to open it without damaging the screen. The screen in one piece, now we can remove the LCD. So this is the new port. So we can install all this backbone, connect all these connectors. Okay, so this is charging. Disconnect it. For a second. Just plug in, just seeing if this charger works. Yeah, that's how it works. Okay, so just gonna charge for a couple minutes and then we'll go back. We're closing this tablet. Okay. You see, everything works now. It has battery too. We're looking at, I think, 10% right now.